I'm a mum and I need my time out, so I come to Elements for Life. Community here is incredible. I get out of bed at 4:30 every morning and it's a struggle sometimes, but you come in here and it's your second home, and the people that you work out with will put you in a good mood. It's a great community. It's not just about the workout, it's the people that you work out with. The people here are just a great bunch of people. It doesn't matter what class you come to, you'll feel like you're at home. I train because I need to have time to myself, and it's been great for my mental health, especially after having a child and suffering from postnatal depression. That's probably too much information, but I found the gym is something that has helped my mental health. The gym is for anybody that loves being part of a community that's there to support you, that doesn't judge you, that's supportive and will push you as far as you want to be pushed.